Welcome to Zape TV.
The doctor helps to keep us well, listens to the stories we tell, gives us medicine when we're sick, makes us better, nice and quick. The nurse takes care with gentle hands, knows exactly what health demands, smiles and helps us feel okay, checks our health in a caring way. People who help us kind and true always have so much to do, working hard both night and day, helping us in every way. The teacher shows us how to read and gives us all the skills we need, helps us learn and makes us bright, guides us kindly day and night. Firefighters come to save the day, chasing all the flames away. Brave and strong they work with care, keeping everyone safe everywhere. People who help us kind and true always have so much to do, working hard both night and day, helping us in every way. Police officers keep the peace, making trouble quickly cease. They protect and help us too, watching out for me and you. The farmer grows the food we eat, grains and fruits and veggies sweet, works so hard from dawn to night, bringing us meals that taste just right. People who help us kind and true always have so much to do, working hard both night and day, helping us in every way. From doctors, teachers, nurses to firefighters, farmers and police crew, let's say thanks for all they do. We are safe because of you. People who help us kind and true, we are so grateful for all you do. Thank you for your work each day, helping us in every way.
Let's learn and play together. Do subscribe for more amazing videos.